Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Infinix Zero 40, a mid-range smartphone that's turning heads. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. 1. Design and build. The Infinix Zero 40 boasts a sleek design with a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The phone is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and has an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. 2. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Infinix Zero 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 256GB or 512GB of internal storage, though there's no card slot for expansion. 3. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is impressive, featuring a 108MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, there's a 50MP front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 60fps, with stabilization via gyro eyes and OIS. 4. Battery and charging. The Infinix Zero 40 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 45W wired and 20W wireless charging. 5. Software and features. Running on Android 14 with Infinix's XOS skin, the Zero 40 offers a smooth and customizable user experience. It comes with pre-installed apps like GoPro Quick for easy connectivity with GoPro cameras, and a range of themes, wallpapers, and fonts to personalize your device. 6. Unique selling points. One standout feature of the Infinix Zero 40 is its dual speakers and under-display fingerprint sensor, providing both security and an immersive audio experience. Available in 3 colors, rock black, violet garden, and moving titanium, this phone is as stylish as it is functional. Conclusion. So, is the Infinix Zero 40 the mid-range phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, the Infinix Zero 40 might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.